morning, my dear children. Welcome, children, to a new session 2020. My name is Sister Renuka. I will be teaching you English language. I received a letter from my friend, and I really don't know what it says. Let me open it. I will show you. You see what I mean. I should be able to read this letter. I mean, a letter is just a word. It's not just a verse. It's words put together so that they tell you something, so that they make sense. Thank you for, let's put together. Thank you for your card. Thank you for your card. Now it has got a complete sense. So now let's learn more about sentence. Chapter 1, the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, my mother is a teacher. I hope what is sentence is clear to you. Now we'll go to second line. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. I repeat, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. For example, thank you for your card. See, the sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Second, what are you doing? A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. I hope this is clear to you all. Now, we will study about subject and predicate. Every sentence has a subject to talk about and a predicate which says something about the subject. Therefore, in order to make complete sense, a sentence must have a subject and predicate. Subject: a person or thing being discussed or described is called to be subject. Predicate: the part which tells something about the subject is called predicate. I hope this is clear to you. Now, for example, Rama goes to church every Sunday. Can you tell me which is subject in this? Rama. Rama is a subject. Goes to church every Sunday is a predicate. I hope this is clear to you all. Now, I will be giving you some homework. So, my first question is, rearrange the following words to make complete sentences. A. Was, mother, the, in, was arranging flowers. B. Buses all painted yellow are school. C. Well plays guitar Suleiman the. D. Invited friends her or Sarah party birthday to the. Now, second questions. Underline the predicate in the following sentences. First, the children go to school on foot. Second, my aunt switched off all the lights. Third, computers have made life easy for us. Fourth, the boys got wet while playing in the rain. Fifth, the flowers on the hillside looked beautiful. I hope this is clear to you all. I hope you have understood the lesson. Take care of yourself, remain at home, and thank you.